If you ever find yourself with leftover turkey or even some leftover chicken, these turkey enchiladas are the perfect weeknight meal. Don't forget to click the follow button and let's get started. Cook the red peppers and the onion in the pan, then add your cubed turkey, take it off the pan, then add black olives and jalapenos. In a casserole dish, spread some enchilada sauce, and then on each corn tortilla, we're gonna spread some enchilada sauce, place some of our filling, and then top it with grated cheese, and then close them up tightly but gently. The enchilada sauce on the inside should keep them nice and closed. Then place them in the casserole dish on top of the sauce, and then garnish them with the rest of the enchilada sauce on top. Sprinkle the rest of their grated cheese on top, and then cover with foil and bake for 15 minutes. Remove the foil, bake for another 15 minutes, and then when ready, garnish with fresh cilantro, tomatoes, and black olives. Find the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com.